Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a BMW guys 5 Series F10. So if you have a BMW F10 guys and you're trying to find and replace guys your MAF sensor, also known as mass airflow sensor, stay with us, that's what we'll be doing today. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW F10 guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Let me show you guys what we got here. Now, if you need to buy any replacement parts or tools, new MAF sensor, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We're going to share all that with you. This is guys a 528i BMW, but even if you have a 520i, I think even other models as well, it will be the same way guys. This is guys the engine right here. What we need to identify here in order to remove and replace the MAF sensor. This is guys your air filter box, right? Air filter box, this is where the air filter, engine air filter is located. It cleans the air, then the air enters guys the engine. Actually this is a turbo engine, so it goes through the intercooler, then goes to the intake. Now the first sensor past the box guys. Okay, right here, the first sensor past the box is mass airflow sensor. Okay, that device right here. So this is guys also known as MAF sensor. What it does guys, okay, it actually reads, it reads how much air it's getting in the engine, so it can adjust fuel ratio and all that stuff. So how you guys remove it? Pretty simple. First we need to go ahead guys, okay, and get it loose. Okay, we need to remove the wiring harness. Press in here, okay, pull up, grab it out. Now we're going to need after that guys, okay, Torx 20 star looking bit. This is it right there. And there is two screws that we'll need to remove guys. Check it out. One right there, one on this side over here. Now it's super important guys, okay, that you check out our video how to clean a MAF sensor, because sometimes if yours is acting up, you have a code or anything like that, we'll have a video guys that explains how to clean those things. So check it out, we'll guys have it on the channel. We'll grab the new one now. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. We'll grab the new one and we're going to put it together in a second. So this is guys the replacement sensor. Okay, all you have to do now, it just goes only one certain way guys. Install it, push it in, make sure it's in, and now we'll go ahead, install the two screws guys, and this practically will be everything guys. Now if you still have problems with MAF sensor and you still get that code guys, we will make a special video that will explain what causes that and what else can lead to that. So all those videos guys will be on the channel. We'll be taking that engine completely apart. We'll be putting a timing chain. As you know, this is the N20 engine, that super weak spot is timing chain guide. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.